Making the Move with Patty Tip.
Hi, Patty Blossfeld here, real estate agent with Coldwell Banker Realty in Morristown, New Jersey, and thanks for stopping in my new video series, Making the Move with Patty Tip, where I hope to give you some tips if you are thinking about moving. And it doesn't necessarily have to be soon, as I started my journey 3 years ago. My kids were out of the house, and I wanted to move closer to my sisters and my parents. So even though I moved from Delran to St. Vincent, which is not that far away, I wanted to be closer. So now I am walking distance to my family, and I just love it. But, I'm a real estate agent. I walk through my house as a real estate agent, looking at it as what buyers look for. And what things could I do to add value and that I could also enjoy. So like I said, 3 years ago, I started the journey. I started with a list. I walked through, it went through many revisions. I did not tackle everything on the list, but I put it down. And so the first thing I did was I got a painter out to paint the exterior of the home, took care of probably 8 items that were on my list, because they would also replace some wood. I had some shingles that were broken, probably from my son's lacrosse balls, even though he said it wasn't. But they took care of, like I said, at least 8 of those items. And then my husband and I got to enjoy this freshly painted house for 3 years. And then about 2 years ago, I had Hunter Door Company out, and I love them. And I wanted to get a new storm door to match the new paint. So I had him out and was chatting with him about my garage doors, that I really want to replace them, and I would love to get a garage door opener, but I can't. And he didn't understand, so we walk in the garage, and I said, I have this soffit area up at the top, and I can't get the mechanism up there. He's like, oh, we can do it. So here, 25 years with no garage door opener, and now at least for the last 2 years, we got to enjoy it. We got updated the garage doors that have window panes, so now I have all this natural light flooding into my garage, and it was awesome, and we got to enjoy it. So depending on when you're planning to make your move, start now, so you can enjoy some of the money you're putting into this home, because that's what we did. So I hope that helps. That's my tip for today. Thank you for joining me and making the move. And I hope to see you real soon. Have a great day. Take care.
Making the Move with Patty Tip.